What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we will take a look on KAFO INU. So if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and let me clear that this video is only for educational purposes. So I will provide you all the information, and please don't miss any part of this platform, because in the next few minutes I will guide you how basically you can buy that. Each and everything is very important to understand before start investing in any sort of project. So get KAFO INU now, join the meme revolution and grow with us on Binance Smart Chain. So you can see here the introduction, basically how it works. So you can see here all information with total supply of 1 million KAFO INU tokens. The dev and the team desire KAFO INU grows very strong over the time during this bull run and beyond. So next you can see here the crypto enthusiasts around the world should know about the KAFO INU BSC in here for the longer period of time. So no doubt about that, it can stay for the longer period of time as things are moving. So these are information that's very important, and you can see here the liquidity is locked for 2 years. It's very safe and secure for you. And next, if you scroll down a bit, you can see here how basically you can buy that. So you can use the altcoin app and you can buy via PancakeSwap. So both options are available for you. You can choose one of them. So I will tell you later on how basically you can buy that. You can see here total supply at the moment 1000000, and the millions tokenomics. You can see here buy sell is 0. Next, it's very important to verify the address, and you need to double check the address, because it's matter of your investments. Most of the time people copy the address and take mistakes, so it's very important to double check the address, and after that you can swap via PancakeSwap or altcoin chat. And next you can see here KAFO INU. You can see the logo and all the details. The big moves, the bigger rewards. And then next you can see here all the logos details are there. You can see here KAFO INU's logos, and each and everything is mentioned in front of your face, guys. You can see here the second one, new buy. So you can jump in early and you can buy and wait for the end when the market will pump up and it will hit a target. You can generate a massive return if you buy early and hold that. Next, our roadmap. So they have a very solid roadmap at the moment. You can see here select launch on PancakeSwap website launch, 500 Telegram members, net listing, voting sites, 500 KAFO INU holder. So these are the phases that you should study and get more detail about the phases. You can see here all information regarding phases are there. You can see here the phase 4. So this is the information. Next you can see here request a call back. If you have any question and queries, you can jam them, you can mail them, and the team will be available for you to provide you all the detail. You can see here, please fill the form and press the submit button. We will get back to you within 1 to 2 business days. So next you can see here KAFO INU logo, and you can verify each and everything. Links are mentioned, and it's very important to join the links. When you join the links, you will become the member of the community and you will be updated with upcoming details regarding KAFO INU, and lots of discussion will be going on. So it's a perfect idea to join their community on Telegram and Twitter. Next, basically how you can buy. So let's check it out. You can see here you can buy via altcoin. So let's check it out. You can see here all the detail, its price chart at the moment, and each and everything is there. So you can easily buy, connect your wallet, and after that you can easily start your proceeding. And next I will show you guys how basically you can buy via PancakeSwap. So here we go. You can see here, just click on PancakeSwap, and after that you will see how basically you can swap via PancakeSwap. So it's so simple and so easy. You can easily swap from here. You can see here you can select your currency, and with BNB, so you can see here with BNB you can easily buy, and at the moment with 1 BNB how much KAFO you can buy. So you can see here it's quite acceptable price at the moment. You can easily buy from here with 1 BNB. You can generate the 1230 6282. It's quite perfect price at the moment. So hope so guys you briefly understand about that, and if there's any questions, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail, and you can approach the team also, you can join their community also. So hope so you will be able to get more details regarding KAFO INU. So we'll meet in our next video guys. Till then, bye bye. There you go.